infrastructure governance refers to all the institutions that have to do with producing infrastructure, starting with planning, starting with going on to budget allocation and to implementation of infrastructure. In this process of producing infrastructure, each one of those institutions has the ability to do things well or to do things poorly. You can think of infrastructure governance as a chain, as a production chain, and this chain is only as strong as its weakest link. It does not help if you plan institutions or plan infrastructure projects well and execute them poorly. You will have poorly implemented great projects, and the reverse is also not good, meaning if you plan poorly and implement well, you will have very well implemented nonsense. So infrastructure governance, if you wish, is all the processes, procedures, and institutions that rule and are involved with the production of infrastructure.